So this is the airport here right now. As you can see, nagyayelo siya talaga. Super freezing. So magbabas kami. Kaya niya? Bigla na kaming nagbalot ng katawan namin sa sobrang laboy. Kanina wala kaming sa headgear at saka sa gloves. Ngayon, balot na balot na kami. So nag-take kami ng bus, then papunta kami dun sa pinaka-main airport para mag-exit. And super lamig! Oh. Ano be, uulit ka pa? So we arrived here at the airport. So mag-exit na kami. Supposed to be we arrived here 11 o'clock in the morning. So 4 hours dapat yung flight, pero as predicted by the weather forecast prior to our departure, kasi nagkaroon ng parang snowstorm dito. So the pilot has to divert the flight just a little bit until the airport is cleared. So lately lang siya nagbukas. So nandito na kami, super lamig as you can see in our video, as in may kasama pang hangin. But then again, we love to explore Iceland. So nagpapalit muna kami ng aming pera, euro to kroner. Okay, so para may gagamitin tayo dito. So magkano yung pinalit mo?
200 euro.
And how much the conversion?
27,000. Oh, ako na may 27,000. Sana euro yun, di ba? Mas malaki sa kanya, Ben.
Ako naman, pinalit ko 300 euro and I have 40,000 kroners. So,
oh, diba? Sana all.
Tara na, gastusin na natin to. Yan, so after namin magpapalit ng pera at bumili ng SIM card, okay, so eto na tayo ngayon. You're going to hop on a bus papunta sa city center ng Reykjavik. And, oh my gosh, nandito pa lang kami sa airport, parang ubos na ang aming pinapalitan na pera. It's truly expensive here, so, but nonetheless, it's the ambience here is very welcoming and very intriguing. So we are going to the city center now. So as you can see, bumibili kami ng ticket and we are going to find our hotel. Okay, so ang bus is worth almost 4,000 kroner. Yes, so that's most likely 30 euro. So ang nasa website, mostly ang bus is nasa 40 euro. So kahit papano mumura. So let's go and see the city center of Reykjavik. Yan. So as you can see, oh my god, snowstorm. Ang dulas.
Oh my God, Jovan!
Tingnan nyo. So pupunta na kami dun sa bus namin. So I'll show you the bus. Ayan, that's the fly bus. Diyan kami sasakay. Going to the city center. Ay, ito. Ayan, after this hurricane.
Me too.
Di ba nakasakay rin kami sa bus?
Kunan na lang.
So mga 45 minutes ang ano namin.
Bus.
Tentative 45 minutes.
Pero
nandun
still
na
ano
kami
pa rin
doon.
kami, beautiful, kahit haggard na kami. Walang tulog magdamag, walang tulog sa airplane.
Nagtsikahan lang kami. How do you like the place?
Lamig.
Oh my god, yung driver. Ang cute niya. I love the accent. They're Icelandic. Oh my gosh. So, we're waiting for the bus to be full. And then, mamaya, punta kami sa city center. See you later. So, ito yung kagandahan sa mga shuttle bus dito from the airport to the city center. Kahit hindi siya puno, nag-go sila or umaandar. Not unlike in the other city, they have to make the bus full bago sila mag-move. So dito, hindi. As you can see, ang daming space. And just to let you know, right now, currently, it's zero visibility here at the road.
Oh my gosh, shit!
It's almost 1 o'clock, pero ang meron tayong tinatawag na snowstorm. So papakita ko sa kanya yung video, sobra ang dilim sa sa paligid. I'll show you. Yan, so that's our driver, our kind driver. And ayan yung front ng bus na sinusundan namin. So it's really very dark. Talagang as in full white ang makikita mo. So it's quite dangerous. So totoo nga yung sabi nila, weather dito is very unpredictable. So minsan maganda panahon, minsan nag-snow, ngayon nag-storm naman siya. So I hope the weather will be okay after few hours. So ayun, ngumangat-ngat muna kami ng aming baon. From Goldilocks, from Pilipinas.
To the hotel.
Yeah, yun.
Nauna pa ako.
We're going to our room now. So,
Sorry, nauna ako sa vlog.
hindi, okay lang. Nasa fourth floor kami, magkakatabi lang kami ng room. So let's see, we'll tour you around. Okay, let's go. And see the rooms.